Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make TikTok account private. So go for your TikTok app first. Now go to your profile. After that go for in this three line section, click on settings and privacy. Go for account. Oh no, go for privacy and you can see here private account. So all you need to do is turn it the slider on. So it's done. You can see here private account. So this is how you can make your TikTok account private. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.